Well, the great holiday getaway is underway.
At the airports and on the roads, millions of people are getting out of town for Memorial Day.
Now, AAA says 38 million people will travel at least 50 miles from home this weekend.
That's the highest number of Memorial Day holiday road trippers since 2005.
And all those people would be spending money, an estimated $12 billion, and that's up over last year.
KCAL9's Amy Johnson starts our team coverage live at LAX. Amy?
Well, LAX is expected to be the busiest U.S. airport this holiday weekend. And in fact, 849,000 passengers are expected to pass through here between today and Monday. And you can see this TSA checkpoint. There are folks here, but the lines really haven't been that long. And those lines have been flowing quite smoothly. And it's actually caught some passengers by surprise. The holiday travel season has arrived. A record 24.5 million people are expected to travel through LAX this summer. Today typically marks the start of longer lines and longer waits.
I've never had it like this before, where it was so empty.
Susan Lerner is headed to Colorado for her granddaughter's graduation.
I go there all the time. Never been like this.
David Siegel says his TSA pre-check helped in his smooth flight to LAX.
The TSA pre-line was short in Phoenix.
Many travelers have opted for the TSA pre-check because long TSA lines have plagued travelers around the country.
Lots of long lines.
Including Levi Hamilton, who flew in from New Orleans.
We got to the airport a little bit later than we weren't expecting a long line, so we actually our luggage was late and we almost didn't have it on the flight.
But here at LAX, those long TSA lines don't seem to be a problem.
We have 9 different terminals, so that gives us an ability, and TSA an ability, to actually space out the number of passengers.
LAX spokesperson Mary Grady says each terminal has a different peak time.
We are monitoring each of the terminals and each of the checkpoints. If it gets extremely busy in one, we're going to call another terminal that's slower and say, send some officers.
Now, back here live, the airlines are also sending their contract employees to help the TSA agents to avoid those long lines. You can see one of those contract employees there standing at the red vest. These folks are here. They are helping TSA agents, directing people. You can see that if people need to know where to go, there she is directing them, so that, again, extra people around to help those lines continue to flow smoothly. And so far, no big problems. Back to you in the studio.
Yeah, so far so good. Amy Johnson, thanks for a look at how things are going on at LAX.